Separating Mindanao from the Philippines would require a complex legal process and would have significant implications for the country's economy. Here is an elaborated explanation of the potential legal aspects and economic impact. Legal process. 1. Constitutional amendments. The separation of Mindanao would likely require amendments to the Philippine Constitution. This would involve a lengthy process, including drafting and approving the amendments by the Congress and obtaining public support through a referendum. 2. Negotiations and agreements. Once constitutional amendments are in place, negotiations between the Philippine government and representatives from Mindanao would be necessary to determine the terms of separation, such as the division of assets, liabilities, and natural resources. 3. International recognition. The newly formed entity would need to seek recognition from the international community as an independent state. This would involve diplomatic efforts to establish relationships with other countries and gain membership in international organizations. Economic impact. 1. Trade and investment. Mindanao is rich in natural resources and has significant agricultural and mining industries. Separation could disrupt existing trade agreements and investment flows, leading to economic uncertainty. The new entity would need to establish its own trade relationships and attract foreign investment. 2. Infrastructure and services. Mindanao currently benefits from national infrastructure projects and government services. Separation would require the establishment of independent infrastructure systems, such as transportation networks, power grids, and healthcare facilities. This would require substantial investments and could lead to initial disruptions in service provision. 3. Fiscal implications. Mindanao contributes to the national budget through taxes and receives government funding for development projects. Separation would necessitate the creation of new fiscal policies, including taxation systems, budget allocation, and revenue sharing agreements. Both the new entity and the remaining Philippines would need to adjust their budgets accordingly. 4. Currency and monetary policy. The separation could lead to the creation of a new currency for the new entity, which would require establishing a central bank and formulating monetary policies. This could introduce currency exchange challenges and potential economic instability during the transition period. 5. Regional disparities. Mindanao has historically faced economic disparities compared to other regions in the Philippines. Separation could exacerbate these disparities, as the new entity would need to address issues such as poverty, unemployment, and infrastructure development to ensure economic stability and growth. It is important to note that this explanation is purely hypothetical, as the separation of Mindanao from the Philippines is a complex and sensitive topic. Any decision regarding separation would require careful consideration of legal, political, and economic factors, as well as the interests and aspirations of the people in both Mindanao and the rest of the Philippines. If you love this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.